In this video, I will show you how to disable comment section under blog posts in Shopify. First, we'll log in Shopify account and then select Online Store. Then click on the blog posts. In my case, I have two blog posts which are associated with the news blog. So let's click on Manage Blogs, select the news blog, and here let's select the first option, Comments are disabled. Once I click Save and refresh the page, you'll notice that the comment section will be no longer available. Just like this. In fact, this action doesn't delete the comments. They're still visible under the blog post. So let me just go back to blog post title number 1. They're right here. So if I wish to show the comments once again on my blog, I can easily enable them. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tip useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.